because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Mercy, go.
SMA is go.
Payloads are go.
GNC, go. Go.
As the countdown to Mars continues.
NASA team is ready to proceed.
Prop, go. AVA, go. NASA CE, go. GC, go. Go. OSM, go. Go for initiate terminal count.
FTS, go.
And resilience rises.
Go. Go.
SMD is go for final count.
And launch director copies.
And liftoff of the upgraded cargo dragon.
Go.
Hi, I'm Janet Petro, Acting Director at Kennedy Space Center. As you may be aware, Bob Cabana recently had the honor of being selected to fill the role of NASA's Associate Administrator and is now helping to lead and impact the agency from headquarters in Washington, D.C. I'm proud to carry the torch here and lead the amazing team we have here at Kennedy Space Center. Although I wish we could be together in person today, I'm happy for the chance to give you a glimpse at what Kennedy Space Center has been doing this past year, and we've been busy. KSC has always been at the forefront of NASA history. In the height of the space race, all eyes were on Florida's Space Coast as we launched the first American into space. The nation continued to watch through the decades as we sent the first man to the moon, flew 135 missions with the Space Shuttle program, helped to assemble the International Space Station, and created new partnerships through our Commercial Crew program. When we transitioned from a government-only facility to America's premier spaceport. Now KSC is once again making history as we prepare to return to the moon with the first woman and the first person of color, and this time we go to stay. Kennedy has always been proud to innovate, to meet challenges head-on, and to persist in times of uncertainty. But that spirit was especially remarkable this year as we kept our eyes focused on the mission and persevered through a global pandemic. Let's take a look.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Godspeed, spot and dock.
And liftoff as the countdown to Mars continues.
Not even gravity contains humanity when we explore as one for all.
And liftoff of the Falcon 9 and upgraded cargo dragon.
Endeavour launches once again. 4 astronauts from 3 countries on Crew 2, now making their way to the one and only International Space Station.
A major focus for us remains our work constructing the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built. In April, we received the final piece of flight hardware for the Space Launch System rocket. The Pegasus barge delivered the massive core stage from Stennis Space Center in Mississippi, and now we're busy stacking the rocket in the Vehicle Assembly Building. After ground processing, will launch the SLS on its maiden voyage around the moon, scheduled for later this year. NASA named this program Artemis, after the twin sister of Apollo. Artemis 1 will be the first in a series of increasingly complex missions that will enable human exploration to the moon and Mars. Here's a look at this incredible technology. So you can see we've had a busy year at KSC, but there's still more to be done. We are aiming higher than ever before, and we have strong bipartisan support in Washington for the important work that we do. Investing in NASA is investing in our nation's future, and the strong budget request shows confidence in what this agency has to offer. The President's request includes resources needed to advance America's bipartisan Moon to Mars space exploration plan. This request also keeps us on the path towards a regular cadence of Artemis missions, with crew to the moon by the middle of the decade. We're also seeing a strong focus on science, which will help better understand the Earth's climate at home and abroad, as well as advancing robotic missions that will pave the way for astronauts to explore the moon and Mars. KSC, along with the rest of the agency, is looking forward to another exciting year full of research, exploration, and inspiration.
This budget shows President Biden's strong support for NASA and will enable us to achieve our ambitious goals across exploration, technology, aeronautics, and science.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars.
I received a call of congratulations from the President. He was so inspired by what we were able to accomplish.
Ready to begin seeking the sands of past life.
This budget allows NASA to address the climate change challenge in more significant ways than we've had in the past. It allows us to understand the Earth as a system, from the oceans to the atmosphere. The upcoming year is also going to be a very ambitious year for NASA and our programs. Aeronautics has been charged with developing a more environmentally friendly aviation system. One of them is the X-57 Maxwell flight demonstrator. Another really large milestone is the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope. It's going to enable amazing science research, including literally looking back in time. The administration early on expressed their strong support for the objectives of the Artemis program and our Moon to Mars plans. Which are the backbone of our exploration plans and our plans for Artemis.
Through the Artemis program, the United States government will work with industry and international partners to send astronauts to the surface of the moon.
We also have a robust robotic exploration program through the Commercial Lunar Payload Services activities with our commercial partners. The NASA workforce, our commercial partners, and our international partners should be really encouraged by this budget.
Zero. Ignition. Liftoff.
NASA's exciting mission and missions inspire the nation, inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. And we will need that generation, including a diverse and more inclusive workforce, to be able to accomplish the ambitious goals that we've set out for NASA.
So in closing, the work we do here at Kennedy truly is remarkable, but it is work we cannot do alone. Each milestone we reach is a testament, not just to the spirit of the agency, but to the strength of the partnerships that we have formed along the way. I want to thank each of you for your continued support of Kennedy Space Center, and I look forward to what we can achieve together in the future.